Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas F3 electric bike is an exceptional choice for adults seeking both power and versatility in their ride. With a peak 1500W motor, this bike delivers impressive acceleration and speed, making it suitable for both city commuting and off-road adventures. The motor provides a smooth, powerful push that allows riders to tackle inclines and rough terrains effortlessly. One of the standout features of the Aipas F3 is its 48V12.8Ah removable battery. This battery not only offers a commendable range but is also convenient for charging. Riders can easily take the battery inside to charge it overnight, ensuring they're ready to ride the next day without any hassle. Depending on the terrain and riding style, the bike can cover up to 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, which is impressive for an electric bike in this category. The build quality of the Aipas F3 is robust, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame that can withstand the rigors of daily use. The bike's design is both functional and aesthetically appealing, with a sleek look that attracts attention. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars provide a comfortable riding experience, accommodating various rider heights and preferences. The Aipas F3 also boasts excellent safety features, including front and rear disc brakes that ensure reliable stopping power in different weather conditions. The front suspension absorbs shocks effectively, enhancing stability on bumpy paths, while the bright LED lights ensure visibility during nighttime rides. One minor drawback is the weight of the bike, which may be slightly challenging for some users when lifting or transporting. However, the performance and features far outweigh this consideration. In conclusion, the Aipas F3 electric bike is a well-rounded option for those looking for a powerful, durable, and comfortable electric bike. With its combination of impressive motor power, reliable battery life, and solid construction, it represents excellent value for the investment, catering to a variety of riding needs.